What's up, everybody? Today we are diving into the world of most famous people in the world and discovering their favorite foods. We have got the biggest names from music, sports, movies, and much more. And we're gonna find out what makes their taste bud tingle. So buckle up because this is gonna be a delicious and glamorous ride. Let's go! Starting with
Number 1. Cristiano Ronaldo. Football legend Cristiano Ronaldo from Funchal, Portugal, keeps it healthy and fresh with his favorite food.
Bacalhau à Brás.
Bacalhau à Brás, a traditional Portuguese dish made with salted cod, onions and finely chopped potatoes. Fuel for a champion. Number 2. Tom Cruise. Action star Tom Cruise from Rosario, Argentina, fuels up with spaghetti carbonara. Creamy, cheesy and loaded with pancetta. It's the perfect meal before jumping out of an airplane or racing a motorbike. Number 3. Brad Pitt. Hollywood heartthrob Brad Pitt from Oklahoma, US. Loves the comfort of good pizza, whether it's a classic margherita or a loaded supreme. Pizza is his go-to for a slice of happiness.
Number 4. Billie Eilish. The queen of alternate pop, Billie Eilish from Los Angeles, California, is all about keeping it vegan. Her favorite? Avocado toast. Creamy, rich and topped with all the good stuff. It's as unique and fresh as her music.
Oh my god, it was insane!
Number 5. Tom Holland. Spider-Man Tom Holland from Kingston upon Thames, UK. Swings by his favorite sushi. Fresh, flavorful and perfect for a quick bite before saving the day. Sushi is the superhero of his diet.
Number 6. Zendaya. Euphoria star Zendaya from California, US keeps it simple and sweet with ice cream. Whether it's a classic vanilla, rich chocolate, or a mix of crazy flavors. Ice cream is her go-to treat. Number 7. Charli D'Amelio. TikTok sensation Charli D'Amelio from Norwalk, USA can't resist the classic American favorite, chicken nuggets. Crispy, dippable, and perfect for munching on while scrolling through TikTok.
Number 8. Chris Hemsworth. Thor himself, Chris Hemsworth from Melbourne, Australia, enjoys a hearty meal of steak and vegetables, packed with proteins and nutrients. It's the perfect meal for the god of thunder.
Number 9. Margot Robbie. Harley Quinn and Barbie herself, Margot Robbie from Queensland, Australia, loves nothing more than a good old-fashioned burger. Juicy, flavorful, and loaded with toppings. It's the ultimate comfort food. Number 10. Drake. When he's not dropping hits, Drake from Toronto, Canada is indulging his favorite Italian cuisine, especially pasta. Whether it's spaghetti, fettuccine, or lasagna, Drake loves it all. Number 11. Imran Khan. Former cricketer of Pakistan, Imran Khan from Mianwali, Pakistan, enjoys the rich flavors of nehari, a slow-cooked beef stew that's as intense and dynamic as his career.
I would just like to say that I feel very proud At the twilight of my career, finally I managed to win the World Cup.
Number 12. Virat Kohli. Cricket superstar Virat Kohli from New Delhi, India, sticks to his roots with a spicy favorite, chicken 65. This fiery, crispy chicken dish is packed with flavor and heat. Just like Kohli's dynamic play on the field.
To bat till the end. That's it! Has he timed this well enough? Yes! Very well enough.
Number 13. Donald Trump. Former President Donald Trump from New York, United States, is all about the fast food life. His go-to? A well-done steak with a side of ketchup. Hey, when you're busy, you gotta keep it straightforward. Number 14. Leo Messi. From one football legend to another, Lionel Messi from Rosario, Argentina, loves a good milanesa alla napolitana. Think of it as Argentine cuisine of chicken parmigiana. Messi and milanesa, a match made in heaven.
Number 15. Taylor Swift. The Queen of Pop herself, Taylor Swift, from Pennsylvania, United States. Taylor's favorite food? A classic American dish, chicken tenders. Crispy, juicy, and perfect for snacking between writing those chart-topping hits. Number 16. Lisa and Lena. The dynamic duo Lisa and Lena Mentler from Stuttgart, Germany, love sharing a classic German dish, Schnitzel. Tender, breaded, and fried to perfection. It's a favorite that's best enjoyed together. Number 17. Ariana Grande. Pop sensation Ariana Grande from Boca Raton, Florida, keeps it vegan with her favorite, a classic Mediterranean dish, falafel. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and packed with flavors. Just like her performances. Number 18. Elon Musk. When he's not revolutionizing the auto industry with Tesla, Elon Musk from Pretoria, South Africa enjoys a simple yet iconic American classic: barbecue ribs, smoky, tender, and finger-licking good. Just like his groundbreaking electric cars. Number 19. Robert Downey Jr. Iron Man himself, Robert Downey Jr. from New York, United States, enjoys a hearty cheeseburger packed with juicy beef, melty cheese, and all the fixings. It's the ultimate hero fuel. And guess what? Rumor has it he'll be back on big screen, but this time as Dr. Doom. Talk about a villain with great taste in food. Number 20. Selena Gomez. Music icon Selena Gomez from Texas, United States, loves to indulge in a classic Mexican favorite, tacos. Whether it's carne asada, chicken, or veggie. Selena is all about that perfect blend of flavors wrapped in a warm tortilla. Delicious and satisfying, just like her top charting hits.
Number 21. Mr. Beast. And of course yours truly, Mr. Beast from Kansas, United States. He loves a good burger too, but when it comes to favorite foods, nothing beats a perfectly grilled teriyaki chicken. Sweet, savory, and downright delicious. It's the ultimate treat for a king of challenges.
And that's it for today's video. Now it's game time. Guess the celebrity by looking at the puzzle and comment the name down below. These celebrities have some seriously tasty preference. What's your favorite food? Let us know in the comment down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more delicious content. Till next time, stay hungry, stay curious and keep exploring the world of food.
Big stepper, underground methods.